Welcome. In this short video, we will show you how to use both the eLink and Versatrans MyStop apps. These apps will help you find important information about your child's bus route. First, let's look at the eLink app. This app gives you detailed information about your student's transportation. To access your student's account, please log in. Use your child's ID as both their username and password. You will see details about your child's bus route. Remember, this app updates every morning. You will always have the latest information. Now, let's check the Versatrans MyStop app. This app helps you track your student's bus in real time, giving you an estimated time of arrival. Just like the eLink app, you will need to log in with your child's student ID number for both the username and password. After logging in, click on your route number to see where your bus is. This helps you know when your child's bus will arrive. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions regarding your specific route, please contact the transportation hotline at 574-393-7000.